is Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a part of the beautiful crew. I'm up early and I'm off from work today because I am going for my first mammogram. And for me, it's a little late, but hopefully better late than never. So, alright girlies, it's your day to shine. Better be good. Let's see how much they'll let me film. But October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's still September, but we're right here on the edge of October. So for all my guys watching, share this information with the ladies in your life. Also remember that breast cancer can happen in men too. Check out the stats. Make sure they go get it and get them on time. Don't be like me and wait forever. So first off, supposed to skip the DO this morning. Sorry world. Also, no lotions up here. I have lotion everywhere else, but no lotion there. It's a rainy day, so it's a perfect day to go for this. All right, let's go. So when I arrived at the location, there was so much traffic there. I didn't even understand why. I've been to this place several times before and I've never seen so much traffic. But anyway, once you got in the building, you follow all of the COVID protocols that they have in place. And this is the office here. There's your physical distancing, and then once you get your forms, you have a COVID form to fill out to let them know whether or not you've tested positive or anything. Then you have your regular forms, and then you sit and wait and wait and wait. It wasn't too bad of a wait really, but for some it was. Some people in there said they had been waiting an hour, but yeah, so all the seats were socially distanced as well, as you can see. And then once you get called back into a room like this, where you change into that wonderful robe that has nothing on the Met Gala. So you open the bench here, and that's where they store the robe, and you just grab one and put it on. And there I am styling. Can't touch me. And of course you have your bag where you put all of your personal belongings. And then once that's all done, you're all changed, all your stuff is in the bag, you sit and wait until your name is called. So I'm just jumping on here for a minute to let you know that the technician wouldn't let me film in the room. She was pretty much like, girl, please, I got other things to do, I ain't got time for that. So let's take a look at these pictures real quick and I'll explain everything. So this is a picture of the machine. This is not my actual machine, but the one that I had looked just like that. And then this is the situation. You get on the machine like that. The machine turns each way for each side. The technician goes behind that screen back there and looks at the x-ray or looks at the image. So that's a closer look at the machine there. I'm back. It wasn't that bad at all. I'll get you in a minute. Hey everyone, so I'm back home. It's actually been like a week and a hairstyle ago now since my appointment, but during the appointment everything went well. People had me scared. Like, I thought it was going to be painful. For me, it wasn't painful at all. I took a Tylenol before I left, so I don't know if that had anything to do with it or just what. And they also say go like a week after your cycle, which, yeah. So I had no difficulties during the procedure or anything. It went well. It wasn't as scary as I was making it out to be. So if you haven't done so and you've reached that wonderful age to do so, go ahead and get it done. And, you know, continue to live beautifully. Bye, everyone.